given that x is inversely proportional to y. Copy and complete the table below. Here we have the law for x. Have another law for y, right? Here you have the word inverse proportion. For inverse proportion, y is inversely proportional to x, or you can write that x is inversely proportional to y. You can write it in the manner you want. At this time, the constant of proportionality which is k, is equal to y times x. It is y times x. Right? This is the constant of proportionality. And from this simple equation of k, which is equal to y times x, we can find the value of y by taking the k dividing by x. This is how to find y. You can even find x, which is equal to k divided by y. Those are two simple formulas to calculate the value of x and y when you have inverse proportion. From the above question you have, you see we have x, we have also y. We can find the k, constant of proportionality. The k here, if x equal to and y equal to 16, right? K will be equal to 16 times 2, which is equal to 32. You can even find the k by using other point. When you use this one, 80 times 4 will be also 32. This one, 32 times 1 will be also 32. Now, you see, the constant of proportionality is not changing. That's why it is called a constant, right? Then, if we wanted to find the missing numbers, to find this y, you see x is 1. When x is equal to 1, for x equal to 1, y will be 32 divided by 1, which is equal to 32. For x which is equal to 4, here, x which is equal to 4, y will be 32 divided by 4, which is equal to 8. For x which is equal to 16, right? My y will be equal to k, which is 32 divided by 16. Now this one will be 2. For x which is equal to 16, 64. Here we have 32 divided by 64. When we simplify by 32, here will be 1 over 2, or this can be expressed as 0.5, right? So those are different values of y. So when we try to draw to copy the table we have here. Here we have x, here we have y. You see? Here we have 1. Here we have 2. Here we have 16 here. Here we have 4. Here we have 8. Here we have 16. Here we have 32. Here we have 64. Right? Now, for 32 here I have 1. Here we have a 4. You remember that we have seen if we have x which is equal to 1, we have y which is equal to 32. That's why here I have 32 here. When you have x which is equal to 4, my y will be 8. That's why here I have 8. This is 32. This is 8. For x which is 16, x which is 16, here I will have y which is equal to 2. Now I have 2 here. For x which is equal to x here is equal to 64 here. Yes. Then my y will be equal to this one. Right? This is equal to 1 over 2. Right? This is how to work out all questions which are involving inverse proportion. Right? So if you like this video, please share it to your colleagues, and remember to subscribe and press like. See you next on Max Wise TV.